It's 30 Days of Bird, day 21. Back to perhaps, and perhaps I will get the entire solo. We shall see. Here we go. Gonna try to remind you each day, don't forget to sing these solos or whatever you're transcribing. Okay. Gonna try to stay relaxed and do this. Here we go. Early. Check out this line, it's so good. Right here. Woo. What's he doing there? Is that it? Sounds about right. Woo. I'm going to try to stay relaxed, keep my fingers relaxed, keep my mind relaxed, and do this. Right, Quinn? Relax. Okay, so that was my best attempt. I'd get pieces of it really clean and not get the rest of it. Playing 2 straight choruses. I didn't quite get the 3rd chorus, but sometimes you don't get to that finish line. Sometimes you don't get it as clean as you want. It's okay. It's gonna be there. I'm gonna revisit this after this whole 30 Days of Birds up and really nail it. So yeah, that was just it. That was today in a nutshell. I needed to relax more. I felt way too much tension and couldn't quite get it, but it's here. You heard me sing it. I just can't quite get it here yet. So all good. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.